Have you ever wondered how your favorite beef sausage gets from being raw to being a deliciously sizzling treat? Let us take you on a journey that demonstrates painstaking craftsmanship by fusing cutting-edge technology with age-old customs. Every bite of juicy beef sausage emerges from a precise process that combines passionate work. The manufacturing process begins once premium cuts of meat reach the facility. Let's explore making beef sausage and discover the techniques that give it its mouth-watering taste. Step 1. Sourcing high-quality beef. The initial procedure for beef sausage manufacturing includes acquiring starting materials. The production facilities connect with supplier networks through binding agreements that stick to formal regulations from official organizations and industrial bodies. Industry standards specify using beef cuts, including trimmings and brisket and chuck, precisely because these pieces balance leanness with fat content in sausages. Interesting suppliers become selected by factories only when their ethical farming practices and sustainable animal rearing methods meet expectations. Trained quality assurance staff carefully inspects the raw beef when it arrives at the factory. The color: fresh beef is bright red. Texture: it should be firm but malleable. And temperature: delivered meat must be maintained below 4 degrees Celsius, are all important factors that inspectors look for. Comprehensive paperwork, such as certificates of origin, shipping circumstances, and veterinarian health check compliance, is included with every delivery. When rejected products are found during initial inspections, the batch rejection procedure takes place because it safeguards the integrity and safety of the product. After passing preliminary inspections, the beef is sent to storage facilities with temperatures close to freezing, where it remains fresh until processing. Step 2. Pre-processing and trimming the meat. Before beef conversion into sausages, initial product trimming procedures are required. Quality control during trimming removes gristles, connective tissue cartilage, excess fat, and undesirable components. Manual and automatic systems work together for meat trimming through precise tools and sensor systems that identify imperfections in beef. Producing sausages demands that processors maintain accurate fat-to-lean ratios because it directly determines the product's final flavor, texture, and juiciness characteristics. A properly balanced meat-to-fat relationship determines sausage type, but most products stay between 70% lean meat volume to 30% fatty tissue volume. Production lines and skilled workers either manually or mechanically divide beef items into lean categories from fatty segments before assigning them to designated sausage formulas. Following trimming, the beef is divided into pieces or cubes that remain no larger than 2 inches across. The processed pieces facilitate an easier and more efficient grinding procedure while delivering uniform texture results. The processing continues by cooling or partially freezing the prepared meat so it stays structurally sound, while processing moves to subsequent operational steps. Step 3. Grinding the meat to the desired texture. One of the most important steps in producing sausage is grinding. Industrial grinders are used to reduce the pre-cut and trimmed meat to equally smaller pieces. Depending on the type of sausage being made, companies can adjust the size of the grind by fitting the grinders with plates that have holes of different diameters. To maintain a chunky texture, larger grinder plates are utilized for coarse sausages like bratwurst or Italian, to get a paste-like consistency for smooth sausages, such as mortadella or hot dogs. Finer plates or extra emulsification processes are used. Controlling the temperature is essential for grinding. To keep the fat from melting and lowering the flavor of the sausage, the beef is kept close to freezing, between -1 degree Celsius and 0 degrees Celsius. To increase consistency and control temperature, some companies add ice chips while grinding. Vacuum technology, another feature of advanced grinders, eliminates extra air from the meat combination to preserve its smooth texture and avoid discoloration. Step 4. Mixing and seasoning the sausage mixture. Upon grinding, the meat enters industrial mixing machines. The mixture accepts seasonings along with spices and other ingredients which form the base flavor of the sausage. Production facilities strictly follow familiarized recipes to deliver equal taste quality in their complete product runs. Ingredients added during mixing. Spicing and seasonings. Most manufacturers combine their sausage meat with salt and black pepper, while adding paprika and using garlic powder, onion powder, and chili flakes, alongside various herbs including thyme or rosemary. Different ingredients become part of sausage preparations based on either geographical taste palette or sausage classification. Curing agents. Sausages obtain their pink color and prolonged shelf stability while retaining their taste through the addition of nitrate or nitrite. Binders. Two common binding components, starches and flour and breadcrumbs, keep meat and fat connective to maintain mixture unity throughout cooking. Liquid additions. The use of ice water or broth brings two benefits to sausage production. It reduces the temperature during mixing and it keeps sausage products from drying out. Industrial mixer devices consist of blades or paddles that perfectly incorporate meat and other components, thereby offering uniform mixing. Vacuum-operated machines remove air from mixtures, improving texture while extending shelf life. Producing emulsified sausages requires additional blending through high-speed bowl cutters, which spin meat items rapidly to achieve a refined, smooth product. Step 5. Stuffing the sausage mixture into casings. After the homemade sausage mixture is completed, the staff uses industrial stuffing equipment to insert it into casings. The machine uses pneumatic pressure to insert the mixture through the casings, which are the foundational form of sausage products. Natural casings. The cleaned intestinal tissues of animals form natural casings that retain their traditional snap and distinctive texture. During cooking, natural casings extend slightly because their elastic structure allows them to stretch. Synthetic casings, collagen casings based on animal connective tissue, have become standard in the industry because they possess both uniform dimensions and simple processing techniques. The production process for skinless sausages usually requires plastic and cellulose casings. Through precise operation, the stuffing machine distributes stuffing contents evenly across all casings by preventing air pockets. Sausage makers remove excess air because it creates cooking or drying inconsistencies. The filled casings receive automated twisting or tying into specific links after processing. Automated linking machines operate at high speed to make thousands of sausages each hour, which results in systematic production. Step 6. Processing. Cooking, smoking, or drying. The production of sausages continues after stuffing with additional processing that creates desirable taste profiles, combined with texture, and extends their shelf life. The specific method depends on the type of sausage being produced. Production ovens with either steam or hot air heat up breakfast-length sausages before their complete cook. Industrial heating reaches an internal temperature of at least 70 degrees Celsius, thus making sausages safe to eat after processing. During cooking, the protein structures in sausages solidify, which produces their texture. When preparing kielbasa and other smoked sausages, the product goes into smoke chambers. Hazards create smoke from hardwood logs including hickory and oak and cherry. The application of smoke carries out dual functions to preserve meat while it enhances flavor and keeps moisture content low while stopping microorganisms from growing. Among dry and cured sausage products, such as salami manufacturers, use climate-controlled drying chambers to position links. Specialized rooms volute the fermentation process through customized humidity and temperature controls. Beneficial bacteria transform meat sugars into lactic acid during fermentation, while delivering tangy flavors that also enable sausage preservation. During drying, the material becomes firm, and the natural flavors intensify as moisture evaporates from the product. Step 7. Cooling and quality control. Blast chillers alongside cold air tunnels are used for fast cooling of sausages after completing processing. Fast cooling processes stop bacteria from multiplying while securing product safety for consumers. Quality control represents a fundamental element of this production phase. During inspection, the sausage products must have standard sizes, with uniform color profiles and proper shapes. Testing of randomly selected samples includes both sensory evaluation based on flavor, aroma, and texture, as well as microbiological testing for harmful bacteria. Factories monitor product compliance with government standards by testing sodium quantities and water content and checking for fat composition. Step 8. Packaging and labeling. The automated packaging lines process sausages into two categorized packaging methods: vacuum sealing, or MAP, modified atmosphere packaging. Extreme oxygen loss from vacuum-sealed packaging leads to shelf life extension through the introduction of nitrogen or carbon dioxide in MAP procedures. Industrial printers combine essential information about products during the labeling process, including product names, ingredient details, and nutritional information, alongside warnings about allergens, together with storage guidelines followed by expiration dates. Products incorporate batch numbers together with quick response codes to enable traceability. Step 9. Distribution and storage. The end products stay in refrigerated warehouses before they reach their destinations, either as exports or for retailer and restaurant sales. The transportation of products requires temperature-controlled truck systems because they protect both freshness and safety throughout shipping operations. The organized production methodology helps factories merge efficient execution with robust safety and hygiene standards to generate reliable, quality beef sausage products for diverse global markets. Modern technologies, combined with rigorous quality controls, enable factories to manufacture vast numbers of safe beef sausages at high efficiency rates, preserving both product quality and standardization throughout the production process. The entire beef sausage manufacturing process, starting from ingredient sourcing through final delivery, requires extreme attention to detail to achieve consumer expectations. And there you have it. From carefully selected beef to the final packaged product, the journey of a beef sausage is a testament to human ingenuity and a commitment to quality. So the next time you savor that delicious bite, remember the intricate process that brought it to your plate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more behind-the-scenes looks at the food industry.